Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious carrot fries. First, select fresh, firm carrots for optimal taste and texture. Next, prepare your carrots by peeling and trimming both ends. Then, slice them into uniform fry shapes, aiming for pieces about 1/4 inch thick and 3 to 4 inches long. Consistency in size ensures even cooking, giving you perfectly tender crisp fries every time. Now, let's get those carrots seasoned. In a large bowl, toss your prepared carrot sticks with 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This helps the seasonings adhere and promotes a lovely crispness. Next, sprinkle in a generous pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Feel free to add other spices like garlic powder, paprika, or even a dash of cumin for a unique twist. Mix well to ensure every fry is evenly coated. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the seasoned carrot fries in a single layer on a large baking sheet. Avoid overcrowding, as this can steam the fries instead of crisping them. Bake for approximately 15 to 25 minutes, making sure to flip them halfway through the cooking time. This ensures even browning and a delightful texture on all sides. Your delicious carrot fries are ready. For the best experience, serve them immediately while they are still warm and crispy. They make a fantastic side dish or a healthy snack. Try pairing them with your favorite dipping sauce, perhaps a creamy ranch or a zesty, spicy aioli. A sprinkle of fresh parsley or chives adds a lovely touch of color and freshness. Enjoy your homemade, wholesome treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.